everybody, welcome back to another edition of Smokin' Steve's Hot Grill. Okay, it is steak night tonight. We are smoking some Angus choice ribeyes. Had a comment for smoking some steaks tonight, and that's what I am doing, so let's do so. So what I like to do is just go ahead and unwrap them. And what I like to do for steaks is actually use an extra olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, just really lightly on these. Just enough on one side. And what you want this for is to hold your seasoning. I do have some Grill Mate. It is hamburger, but I've put it on steaks before and it is incredible. So we're doing both sides. With it, just like that. And even when doing steaks, I still keep it at the same smoking on the high setting for smoking at 210 degrees. With steaks, I like to get a little bit of smoke into the meat for the flavor. So I'm looking at about a half an hour to 45 minutes of just smoke penetrating the meat. So we're going to go ahead and don't be afraid to season them. And on this, you want to go ahead and pat it down. Pat that seasoning in the meat. Flip it over. Oops. Same thing. Put it in there. Take your hand. Get that seasoning in there. All the way around. Okay. Let's go ahead and come over here to the smoker. Like I said, this is my Cabela smoker. It is a pellet smoker. Absolutely love it. So we'll go ahead and put these on here. Doesn't those look great? We'll go ahead and shut it. Then we'll go ahead and bring it up to temp, and we'll be back in about 45 minutes. All right, welcome back everybody. Actually, it has been only a half an hour. I did come out here just a second ago to check, see what they look like, and they actually, look at the great color that we have from the smoke already. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and flip it once. Look at that. They look beautiful. And then now what we're gonna do is, since they have the smoke, we're gonna bump up from 210 up to 350. So we're at high smoke at 210. We're gonna go to 350 for only approximately about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna pull them off. When we do, we have asparagus, we have baked potatoes, we have steak. We're gonna have an incredible meal tonight. Stay with us and you'll see it. Now is the time. It's been roughly about 10-15 minutes. Let's see what they look like. Holy smokes, look at those. Those look absolutely phenomenal. Oh, they're actually even falling apart. So there's one, and there's two. If you remember what they looked like before, now look at them. They look absolutely delicious. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna plate them up, we're gonna get our asparagus and baked potato ready, and we will see you at the kitchen table. Hey everybody, now that we're back at the kitchen table, look at this dinner. It absolutely looks delicious. Have your asparagus, have your baked potato, and this absolute smoked ribeye steak. I want to show you how tender that this steak really is. Look inside of there. That is absolutely, look at the juices that just come out of there. It's absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely look at that. It's beautiful. Oh. I have to do one more. Believe it or not, even though we're on camera, that's probably one of the best steaks that I've ever cooked. It's absolutely incredible. I want to thank you again for joining me and my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I need all the likes and subscribe that I can get. So please like and subscribe, and still we will do more. Sunday, I will post, I am smoking 3 pork butts for my work on Monday, but we have a full day of smoking on Sunday. So please join me Sunday night after I upload it. Watch it, like it, subscribe to it. Have a good night.